This is the solution video for section 6.1, problem number 8. If I have the integral of 8x minus 5 over the cube root of x, I need to simplify the fraction. So what I can do is I can rewrite this as 8x over the cube root of x, but remember the cube root of x is x to the 1/3. So I would say 8x over x to the 1/3 minus 5 over x to the 1/3. And then I put parentheses around that, and we're integrating that with respect to x. All right, so now I need to do one more step of simplification. If I have 8x over x to the 1/3, okay, remember this is x to the first, and so I can subtract the powers, 1 minus 1/3, so I get 8x to the 2/3 minus, and this one would become 5 times what? Well, this is x to the 1/3 in the denominator, so x to the negative 1/3. So then I'm going to integrate that with respect to x. All right, so 8x to the 2/3, I bring the 8 down. X to the 2/3, I add 1. So adding 3/3, so it becomes x to the 5/3 over 5/3. Remember, add 1 to the power, divide by the new power. So x to the 5/3 over 5/3 minus 5, and then this becomes x to the what? Well, negative 1/3 plus 1 is x to the 2/3, and then divided by 2/3. And then don't forget to add c. So now if I rewrite this a little bit, instead of dividing by 5/3, I multiply by 3/5. So 24 x to the 5/3 over 5. And then minus, if I have 5 over 2/3, that's like 5 times 3/2. So 15 halves x to the 2/3, or I could say 15 x to the 2/3 over 2. And then, of course, plus c.